Hello friends, I am Atul Gadam. This video is for ninth standard. Name of content is a lines and an angle. Page number 10.6 in R.D. Sharma. Example number 1. Find the measure of an angle which is a complement of itself. What is? Find the measure of angle. Measure of angle. Which measure of an angle? Who is a complement of itself? We know that measure of complement angle means if the sum of two angles is equals to 90 degree, then these angles is called complementary angles of each other. Suppose measure of one angle is a 20 degree. If the measure of one angle is a 20 degree, then their complement is a 70, because 20 plus 70, that is equals to 90. If the measure of one angle is a 45, then another angle is a 45 plus 45, that is equals to 90. So these two angles are complementary angles of each other. Suppose the measure of first angle is 30 degree, then another their complementary angle is 90 minus 30, that is equals to 60 degree. Here the measure of angle is a 1 degree, then its complement is a 90 minus 1, that is equals to 89. Means complementary angles means if the sum of two angles is a 90 degree, then these angles are known as the complementary angles of each other. In the given example, here the angle is a complement of itself, means let the measure of an angle is x and उसका complementary angle कितना होगा, उतना ही होगा जो कि गिवन एंगल है. सो द मेजर ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंगल इज x. वी नो दैट angle and its complement of angle, their sum is equals to 90 degree. So the measure of an angle and its complement of an angle, that is equals to 90 degree. 1x, x means 1x, 1x plus 1x, that is equals to 2x, equals to 90 degree. 2x, the meaning of 2x is a 2 into x. The opposite operation of multiplication is a division, so the transpose these multiplications to here the x is equals to 90 divided by 2, or the 90 upon 2. X is equals to 90 by 2, 90 upon 2, that is equals to 45. What is meant by x? X means the measure of an angle. So the measure of an angle is equals to x, that is equals to 45 degree. On the same page number, example number 4 is an angle is equal to 5 times its complement. Angle is 5 times its complement, यानी एंगल कितना है, उसके complement के 5 times है. Then determine its measure. Okay, what is an angle is, measure of angle is 5 times its complement. Then determine its measure. We can solve this question two types. Let's here first type is let measure of an angle is x. Measure of angle is x, then its complement is complementary angle is 90 minus angle. Measure of an angle हमने देखा है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंगल निकालते समय हम क्या करते हैं, 90 माइनस गिवन एंगल करते हैं. हियर द मेजर ऑफ एन एंगल इज x एंड द मेजर ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ एन एंगल इज 90 माइनस x. हियर द गिवन कंडीशन, व्हाट इज द गिवन कंडीशन, एन एंगल इज, व्हाट इज द एंगल, एंगल इज x, एंगल इज इक्वल टू 5 टाइम्स इट्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट, 5 टाइम्स यानी मल्टीप्लीकेशन, एन एंगल इज 5 times its complement. Complement is what? 90 minus x. We know that the sum of the complementary angle is 90 degree. So the measure of angle x, then measure of its complement is a 90 minus x. Given condition is measure of an angle is equal to 5 times its complement angle. Then solve this operation. X for x, that is equals to 5 into 90 and 5 into minus x. What is 5 into 90? 450. 5 into minus x, that is a minus 5x. Here 5x is a negative, transpose this 5x, x as it is, minus 5x transpose, that is equals to first plus 5x equals to 450. 1x plus 5x, 6x is equals to 450. You know that 6x means 6 into x. 6 is in a multiplication form. Then transpose 6. X is equals to 450 divided by 6. Then x is equals to 6 7s are 42. Remainder 3. 6 5s are 30. X is equals to 75. What is meant by x? X means measure of an angle, and that we want to find. So the measure of an angle is equals to x is equals to how much? 75 degree. Okay, then 75 degree. Then other method is, in this example we know that the measure of angle is 5 times its complement. Then angles comparison with complementary angle. So the complementary angle is x. Then an angle is 5 times its complement, that is equals to 5x. We know that these are the complementary angles of each other, so their addition will be 90 degree. Here the complementary angle is x, given angle is a 5x. These are complementary with each other, therefore their sum is equals to 90. 1x plus 5x, 6x is equals to 90. The meaning of 6x is 6 into x. Then transpose multiplication 6. X equals to 90 divided by 6. Then x is equals to 15. What is meant by x? X means complement of an angle. What is meant by x is a 15, but x is what? Complement of an angle. And what we want to find? We want to find measure of an angle. Then what is the measure of an angle? Measure of an angle is a 5x. So the measure of an angle is equals to 5x. Then measure of an angle is 5 into x for 15. 15 5 is 75. So the measure of an angle is a 75 degree. You can use any method, this method or the previous method. Next example is from page number 10.7, exercise number 10.1 and question number 1, sub question number 4. Here the question number 1 is some measures of an angles are given. We want to find the measure of its complement. Here the given angle is a 77 degree. We want to find the measure of complementary angle of 77 degree. Here the formula is measure of complementary of 77 degree, that is equals to 90 degree minus measure of given angle. Why? Because measure of an angle and its complement of an angle, their sum is equals to 90 degree. 90 for 90 degree minus measure of given angle is what? 77 degree. Then 90 degree minus 77 degree, that is equals to 13 degree. So the measure of complement of an angle of 77 degree is equals to 13 degree. Next example is from page number 10.7, example number 3. If an angle is 28 degree less than its complement. What is? Angle is less than its complement, means complement is more than angle. Complementary angle greater होगा और angle कैसे होगा? उसका smaller होगा. Find its measure. We want to find the measure of an angle, so the measure of an angle is equals to x degree. Its complementary angle, sum of the complementary angle is a 90. So the angle is x, so its complement angle is a 90 minus x degree. What we know that? We know that complementary angle is greater than the given angle by 28 degree, means complementary angle, it is a greater, so complementary angle minus smaller angle is a given angle, and the difference between these two angle is a 28 degree. What is the given? An angle is a smaller than complement by 28 degree, means complement is greater than an angle 28 degree. Then complementary angle minus given angle, that is equals to 28 degree. 90 minus 1x minus 1x minus 2x, that is equals to 28. Here 2x is a negative, transpose this 2x positive. 28 degree is a positive, so 28 is a transpose 90 minus 28. 70 minus 8, 62, that is equals to 2x. The meaning of 2x is the 2 into x. Then 2 is the transpose 62 minus 2, that is equals to x. 62 minus 2, that is 60, equals to x. 62. Sorry friends, here the meaning of 2x is a 2 into x. 2 is the transpose 62 divided by 2, that is equals to x. 62 by 2, that is 31, equals to x. 31 equals to x, so the x is equals to 31. What is meant by x? X means the measure of an angle. Therefore, measure of an angle is equals to x is equals to 31 degree. The measure of an angle is x equals to 31 degree. Thank you friends.